Lati Pimbo. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain. The weather is so bad. We are going through some turbulences. But I want to assure you, we shall reach Durban safe and sound. Therefore, I am requesting that everybody sits down and enjoy the flight. We will keep you updated. Athi nawakhuluma lamazo phela lapha semoyeni, the only thing engasiphilisa ngoba thina siboni sizophiliswa ukuthi sithembe amazwi kaCaptain, ngoba noma thina singaboni
Jesus
uCaptain yena yabo. Ngizothe ebusuku sinompriest omkhulu owadabula amazwi. Uma esekhona umdala weinsuku nasiphi na isimo siyamlalela. Tshela umakhelwane sizoqeda nawe lo 2025. Asikho isikhala esilolelwe wena esiyawuphumela.